In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up Moltbot or Claude using the quick start in your terminal. We'll walk through the entire process from grabbing the code to choosing your model and channel so you can get up and running smoothly. Start by opening the Moltbot or Clawdbot page in your web browser. Scroll down the page until you see the section labeled Quick Start. In that section, you'll find a command or code snippet provided for you. Carefully highlight that code and copy it to your clipboard. We'll use it exactly as given. Next, open your terminal. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. On macOS or Linux, open the Terminal app. Once your terminal is open, paste the code you copied into the command line and press Enter. The installer will begin working right away and automatically set everything up on your computer. This part can take a few minutes, so just wait while it downloads and configures the necessary components. Keep your internet connection stable and avoid closing the terminal while it runs. After the installer finishes, you may see the application load and some prompts appear. Give it a moment to initialize fully. It can take a little extra time to prepare the environment, so wait for it to finish loading. When you see the prompt that says "I understand," click Yes to acknowledge and continue. From here, choose the Quick Start option to proceed with the guided setup. Next, choose Reset to ensure you're starting from a clean configuration. Then choose OpenAI as your provider. You'll be asked to select the OpenAI API key option. When prompted, type or paste your own OpenAI API key. Keep your key private and never share it publicly. If you're pasting, double check for any extra spaces before or after the key. Once your key is accepted, you'll be asked to choose a model. Pick the model that best fits your needs and access level. After that, choose a channel. The channel is where you'll interact with the bot, such as in a terminal session or another supported environment, so select the one you plan to use. That's it. You've copied the Quick Start code, installed the tool via your terminal, acknowledged the prompt, selected Quick Start and Reset, configured OpenAI with your API key, picked a model, and chosen your channel. If something doesn't look right, rerun Quick Start or Reset and follow the prompts again. You're now ready to start using